it's Patricia from the Southwest Yankee, what some middle-aged women will do from the Northeast, the Southwest. Birds update. They're here. All the birds from the north have flown to the south, and I have pictures of them, lots of them. Pictures. Light moment. God said, let the waters teem with all living creatures, and let the birds fly above the earth across the vault of the sky. Genesis 1:20. So I was getting gas. I got pictures of like all the telephone pole wires covered. I'm trying to think where else I was. I got some more pictures. But I was taking pictures, I was at my car, about to fill it with gas, and I saw them all and taking pictures. But a policeman pulls up and he was getting gas. And I'm like, hey, I'm taking pictures here. And it's okay to say that as long as you laugh after. My grandfather was an equestrian policeman in Boston. I usually throw that in the conversation. Oh, really? That's what I love about hanging around with guys. I should have thrown that in the last video. Because their main thing is how to mess with each other. It's so enjoyable. Women, it's I gotta talk about my feelings. Guys are how to mess with each other. But that's for another video. So I got pictures of birds. No cross contamination. No. Keep the videos with what you're working on at the time. Segue, squirrel. Anywho, remember to subscribe, like, and hit the bell. Thanks a lot. See you guys later. You guys are the best. Bye.